Let us see what do we have here for you guys today. Basta just take only what resonates, okay? We have here the Five of Water. I'm sensing pain and at the same time, I'm sensing pag-iisa. Yan. Sa aking pag-iisa. Yan. So, alamin natin kung ito bang pag-iisa na ito, no? Kasi medyo malungkot siya. Yan. I want to say na naman. So, parang malungkot na naman. Yan, no? Parang malungkot na naman siya. Sino ba itong malungkot na ito? Okay. 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 This is something here na maaaring hindi ka panipaniwala at first at baka maaaring maging ganito kayo. Oh, Miss yan, talaga ba? Yan o, Page of Air Energy. Definitely love right at the center of this reading. Okay. And number 6, no, is standing out. Possible na yan ay birth dates ninyo or maybe this person's birth date or maybe special number here for you guys. No, maybe anniversary nyo ito, no, or special day ninyo, no, yan. So kung sino man tong energy na to, definitely you've already connected with this person here in a heart space level and okay, ibig sabihin nagkaroon na kayo rito ng legendary romantic history, ano. So we have here, yes. This person here is recognizing right now that this is that kind of partnership. Yung partnership niya with you, no, is that kind of partnership, no, na gusto niya pala, no, na magkaroon sa life niya, no. That kind of partnership na hindi dapat ni-let go. That kind of partnership na gusto niya ulit na magbalik, no, sa kanya ritong life. Six of air energy, king of fire, bottom of the deck, 10 of fire, six of earth here, and oh, four of earth. This person here could be far from you, like physically far, located from you, no? May distansya sa pagitan ninyong dalawa. Nakita tayo rito ng dagat, no? So, iba maaaring himpapawid, no? Maaaring kailangan mag-airplane, no? Para kayo ay magkita ulit or kinakailangan sumakay ng barko, okay? Or tumawid ng dagat, no? Just to see you. Definitely, no? There's a gap. Okay? But because of that big water no na nakita natin dito no, maybe this person here is not located far away from you or hindi siya malayo talaga sa inyo right now, but definitely lumayo yung loob mo sa kanya. That's the gap no in emotions no para dito sa person na ito. Okay, so before we dive more into this reading of yours, let me just make bati everyone first. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers. Returning Istam buyers ko dyan. Thank you dahil dito na naman kayo. No? And thank you so much no, sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. Wala talagang patid ang inyong pag-istambay dito. At kung hindi niyo pa alam mga mahal na mayroon pa tayong other channel, link is down below sa description box ng reading na to. So if interested, just click lamang yung link na yan para kayo mapunta doon at araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs there. Okay, at tandaan ninyo, wala tayong gender dito. So, babae, lalaki, LGBT, everybody ay welcome. Pwede magkapalit-palit ang mga roles kasi general reading ito. And at the end of the day, lahat ay may free will if you want to claim the messages or not. No? So, yeah, okay, I'm seeing Taylor Swift. No? So, maybe fan ka ni Taylor Swift, no? It could be a sign that this reading here is for you, or maybe your person here is fan, no, ni Taylor Swift, or baka yung mga songs, no? Okay, or you could be listening to Taylor Swift songs. So, iba hindi naman fan ni Taylor Swift, pero maaaring madalas nakakarinig ng kanta niya, no? Pwedeng sa sinasakyan ninyong mga bus, jeepneys, no? While you're commuting, or maybe nasa playlist ninyo, more likely, no? Taylor Swift's song, no? Ano yung mga Taylor Swift song? Minsan, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. Yan, di ba? Love story. Yan, no? Ano pa? No? Walk in the room with you and your worn out jeans. You belong with me. Yan, no? So, mga ganun mga kantahan ni Taylor Swift. Okay? So, that might be sign or clues. Okay. So, yeah, may free will kayo if you want to claim the messages and use it as your guidance or hindi. No? But here, Eight of Water energy, transformation. Okay. And the very, very strong Nine of Coins energy. Okay. It looks like, no, this person right here, ikaw ang kanyang Totga. Yan, no? Para hindi nakakaalam yung ibig sabihin ng Totga, no? The one that got away, no? The one that got away. Yan. Kung sino man tong energy nito, ikaw daw ang kanyang Totga, no? At nakikita natin dito that after the loss ng inyo ritong connection or ng inyong communication, this person here has been doing this. Yan, no? Ano ba yan, Miss Yan? So, yeah. After ng inyong separation, this person right here, no, ito yung mga pinapakita ditong ginagawa niya simula noon, no, up until now, no, na kayo ay in separation, no. Definitely, pinakamalakas na energy, walang duda, this person here is thinking of you. Ano, most of the time, this person here is thinking of you. Kahit may ginagawa siya, kahit nagtatrabaho siya, kahit ano pang ginagawa niya, kahit nagre-relax siya, mas lalo. Okay? At okay, kahit lalo na malapit na siya or patulog na siya, no, sa gabi, okay, or anong oras man siya natutulog, okay, this person here is thinking of you. So, pinapakita sa atin dito, marami naman talaga, no, siyang ginagawa rito, pero ito yung mga nagsa-stand out, no, na ginagawa niya maliban sa pinakaiisip niya kayo araw-araw, 'no? So, believe it or not, this person here ngayon nare-realize niya na ikaw, sweetheart na nanonood at nakikinig ngayon, nakatingin sa iyong cellphone, handphone, 'no, notebook, okey, at kung ano pang gamit mo rito, 'no, na gadgets, 'no, okey, or advanced technology para mapanood at mapakinggan itong reading na 'to, okey? Ikaw ang tinutukoy niyang kaniyang The one that got away. Yan, the one that got away na medyo masakit yun, 'no? Kasi ito yung klase ng energy 'no, na parang this person here lost you, 'no, and this person here is someone 'no, na, hindi siya rito makapaniwala 'no, na pinabayaan niya kayo, na, binalewala niya kayo, na see, alam mo sa lahat ng love, ito yung malungkot, you know, trying to gain strength from the lion, okey? So this person here definitely, okay, nakita ko rito, this person here realizing talaga na love niya kayo rito. Okay? So look at the arc, no, behind. Okay? Those are the same arc, no, or bridge yan sa the moon energy sa Cosmic Tarot. Okay? So the moon represents right in here that this person here, no, is definitely sad while thinking about you. And Page of Swords energy or the Page of Air in this tarot deck means that this person here is cautiously, okay, browsing social media platforms, searching for you, or kung nakikita niya kayo, this person here keeps on looking at your social media, keeps on looking at your photos, and I'm seeing him or her touching the screen, no? Okay, so kung andun yung inyong face, this person here is zooming it in, no? At hinahawakan niya rito 'no, ang kanyang screen 'no. Definitely this person here 'no, is someone na talagang longing for you, missing you, okay, and hurting in silence. High Priestess energy at iyon ay isang malaking sikreto, yan 'no. So aside from browsing your social media here everyday 'no, yung everyday na yun ang dami, countless yun 'no. So nakita natin dito 'no, that this person here is also investing sa kanyang future, Three of Wands energy, no, and the Nine of Wands. Pinapaganda niya rito, no, yung kanyang buhay, no. Inaayos niya rin at the same time ang kanya ritong ugali, no. May finifix siya rito na addictions or behavior na alam niya 'no, na hindi maganda about himself or herself. So, he or she is really working hard on it 'no, and nakikita natin dito 'no, na konti-konti pa lang yung improvement dun 'no, pero ginagawan niya ng paraan 'no. Ano yun Miss yan? Kunwari ganito, itong tao na 'to 'no, is magagalitin, mabilis siyang magalit 'no, and this person here is trying to change that 'no, kasi hindi maganda yung mabilis magalit 'no. Yung ganong klase ng energy, alam niya rin sa sarili niyang hindi maganda or pangit. So this person here is trying to change it, okay? That's what I'm picking up, no? Pero syempre dahil yun ay bagay na hindi madali dahil yun ay isang klase ng pag-uugali 'no. So medyo matagal 'no, pero nagkakaroon naman dito ng improvement at progress 'no. So nakikita ko na talagang trying hard at tina-try niya talaga ang kanyang very best 'no, para maayos niya yung ugaling yun. Okay, and others, okay, I know you're gonna love this next thing that I'm gonna mention. This person here is working on his or her ego, 'yan 'no. So talagang nakikita ko dito that this person here sinusubukan niya talaga rito magpakumbaba, sinusubukan niya talaga rito 'no, na hindi mag-get in the way yung pride niya 'no. So nakita ko rito 'no, sa kanyang everyday life, this person here is connecting with his or her soul tribe 'no, and also other people 'no. So doon siya parang nagpa-practice 'no, in dealing with other people na parang dapat hindi siya agad-agad magalit, kailangan pakinggan niya muna kung ano yung explanation ng isang person bago siya magalit 'no. So this person is really trying his or her best 'no, para ayusin rito 'no, yung kanya ritong pag-uugali na sa tingin niya ay hindi maganda 'no. And I think na-mention niyo na rin 'yan sa kanya nung kayo ay nagsasama pa 'no, lalo na kapag nagkakaroon kayo ng pag-aaway at pagtatalo dito ano. So nakita natin dito that this person here is working on it. Up until now, yes, na parang nagkakaroon siya ng improvement, but this person here wants talaga na as in, you know, talagang mabago talaga yung ugali niya na yun 'no. So this person here, anong ginagawa niya, Miss yan 'no? Well, this person here is preparing. Preparing for what? Preparing for this. Nine of coins energy, top energy, two of fire, king of fire, six of air. Okay? Preparing. Kasi this person here, you know, is planning to come back to you. This person here, no, is nililista niya rito, listing all of the possible actions na pwede niyang gawin. Plano na gagawin niya rito, no, just to win you back. This person right here is manifesting you back into his or her life. King of Fire energy, this is someone here hindi tumatanggap ng no for an answer. And also, the King of Fire energy, no, ay ang klase ng energy na tinatapakan niya kung saan ito yung klase ng enerhiya na hindi ako aatras 'no, atapang-atao. Okay, so ready siya rito harapin ang kahit na ano man na magiging balakid 'no, sa kanyang paglapit sa inyo. This person here is definitely manifesting you back 'no, and this person here, yun yung mga ginagawa niya rito 'no, improving his or her lifestyle, improving his or her pag-uugali, behaviors right in here, and improving his or her life 'no, yung kanyang buhay dito na maybe this person here 'no is, um nagtatrabaho lang siya dati 'no, parang normal lang yon, everyday part lang ng routine niya, not really giving his or her best 'no, sa kanyang work. But now this person here, oh, nag-iipon siya, Four of Earth energy, ano, Six of Earth energy 'no, at nakikita ko rito 'no, na yung mga problems niya rito, lalo na sa pera, okey, inaayos niya rin dito. So nakikita ko inaayos niya yung buhay niya dito because this person here is preparing 'no, na humarap sa inyo. Kasi ayaw niya rito 'no, nahihiya siya 'no, dahil alam mo 'yun 'no, ayaw niyang humarap na, na gano'n pa rin siya 'no, sa inyo. Gusto niya na mga babes 'no, na humarap sa inyo na eto na siya 'no, sa kaniyang, ah, new version ng life niya 'no, para naman hindi nakakahiya na humarap sa inyo 'no. Eh, Miss yan, paano naman yun? Yeah, I know that you're pertaining here 'no, if you're involved in a third party situation because this person of yours put you into a type of third party situation, well, hindi ko yun nakikita, okey. Hindi ko yun nakikita sa third party na energy dito. wala. So, I think tinanggal niya na yun 'no, sa kanyang life. Wala na siyang pakialam yun 'no. When this thing happens, this person here wala na talaga siyang pakialam at or unti-unti na siya ritong nawawalan ng pakialam. Alam mo kasi kapag ang isang person unti-unti nang nawawalan ng pakialam sa isang person, nawawala na yung energy niya dun, nawawala na yung bakas unti-unti. Okay. So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, nakikita ko dito that this person here is literally preparing for this union and ito yung mga ginagawa niya, 'no. So, inaayos niya rin dito mga babes, 'no, yung kanya rito na parang mga nakausap, 'no, na puwedeng nasiraan niya kayo, puwedeng sa mga friends niya, 'no. Kasi lalo na kung may involvement ng third party, lumabas dito na parang meron ditong nasiraan, 'no, and yeah, okay. No doubt ikaw yung nasiraan dito way back before 'no, para mag-give way sa isang, um, bagong relationship 'no, niya with the third party noon. So, inaayos niya rin ito ngayon, kasama ito sa kanyang mga inaayos na parang, hindi totoo yung mga sinabi niya dati 'no, yun ay dala lamang alam mong maganda, yung person mo ngayon hindi na siya nagsisinungaling. Nakita ko kung ano yung talagang dahilan or tunay na nangyari talaga noon, yun yung talagang, sinasabi or ipinapaliwanag niya ngayon 'no, sa kanya ritong family, friends 'no. So, nakita ko dito na inaayos niya lahat-lahat 'no, kasi hinahanda niya ang pagbabalik niyo sa buhay niya. Pero siyempre, mga babes 'no, nasa inyo pa rin, Six of Earth energy, nasa inyo pa rin 'no, kung bibigyan niyo siya ng isa pang pagkakataon 'no. But this person here, these are all the things that he or she has been doing after your loss of connection or after this separation. This person here is preparing for this union, okay? And this person here is someone 'no, na nakikita ko na may talagang, urge 'no, ipu-pursue niya talaga ito. But at the end of the day, it's still your free will if you want to, claim these messages 'no, or not. Okay, so for the initials, we only have 4 right in here. Could be initials or part of the letters ninyo. So we have here letter G. We also have here letter E, letter A nandito din. And last but not the least, we have the letter M. So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweethearts. Thank you so much for your time. Again, I'm your Yana on me sa Halanghea, Love and Light. And you.